Hello treasures, welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are doing great. Thank you for stopping by. In today's video, I'm bringing to you another of our Igbo Nigerian traditional delicacy. Yes, this is Ugba as we call it. It's called bean in English, but in my language we call it Ugba. Some people call it Okpaka, but where I come from we call it Ugba. That is my own dialect. In case you didn't know, I am from Mbise in Imo State, Nigeria. Yeah. We normally serve this as a special delicacy in special traditional occasions. Yes, or when you want to give a treat to your special guest or partner or husband. Yes. So today I'll be making this with these ingredients. On my table here I have some crayfish already washed, salt, stock which I got from stockfish, fresh pepper, stockfish fillets, palm oil, dried meat, chopped onions and some garden eggs. To make my ngo, that is something to curdle the palm oil, I don't have potash, so I'll be using this baking soda. I will take a teaspoon of the baking soda and mix with about 3 tablespoons of water. Mix it and then add to the palm oil to curdle it. In a pot, I'll add some palm oil and then the baking soda. The quantity of the oil you are using depends on the quantity of the ugba you are making. I'll then stir until the oil curdles or until I make the ngo. I did not use all the baking soda mixture. I used only about 1.5 tablespoons of it. After making the ngo, I will then add the ugba, stir very well, and then add other ingredients. Keep watching. You can also call this African salad, but this is without abacha. Please, I also added this calabash nutmeg, which I forgot to show you. It is a very, very, very important spice to this dish. You cannot make African salad in my place without this. And then I test for salt, and everything tasted very, very delicious. And then it is time to serve. Please don't forget to click the like button if you haven't. Thank you for doing that. I love you.